Breaking news. Snoop Dogg's daughter, Cori Broadus, got engaged to her longtime boyfriend, Wayne Duece. Snoop Dogg and his wife are very proud of their daughter and very happy for her, Wayne and Cori. They've been dating for 4 years. Look at that beautiful diamond, I must say. Pear-shaped diamond is absolutely beautiful. So, Cori is 23 and Wayne is 25. And again, they've been dating for 4 years. And he proposed to her uh, just recently. So this is exciting news because you know that she went through a period of depression and, and she was very verbal about it and she spoke out about it to help others. But thank goodness love is in the air and that he truly loved her for her. We're going to take a look at the clip of the engagement proposal, guys. Definitely comment below. Congratulate the couple. I wish them nothing but love, happiness, joy, peace, and success in their engagement and their marriage soon to come. Now, they haven't announced a date yet because this is still new. So let's take a look at the video clip. Again, comment below. I would love to hear from you. Say some kind words, some congratulations, and all that good stuff. Definitely blessings upon blessings. Now, if you're going to give a ring, give a ring. That is a beautiful rock for him to be a young man. He's 25. Look at the diamond he picked out. Just absolutely gorgeous. And look at the clarity. Oh yes. That's beautiful. It would be an I do for me. What about for you? He said, I can't wait to spend a lifetime with you and to share my last name. This is beautiful. Young love is great and black love is beautiful. Now let's take a look at the video clip. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.